Assalamu alaikum audience, this is me, Abid, your host from TLC Media. As you know that anyone want interest in politician, in actress, in actor, and as well typical resident. But today I want to take interview from student. So let's start. I want to introduce herself. Her name is Maria. She lives in Nazmabad and she is a student of Karachi University. So I ask you some question about yourself.
Yeah.
You are a student. I hope your life is too much good and nice.
Yeah, obviously, because I am a student, I have no problem, and I am not facing any problem because live happily.
Can I ask some question about the situation and about the Karachi?
Yeah, you can.
Why is life of Karachi city unbelievably complicated?
Because nowadays in Karachi there is no justice and law. That's why life is unbelievably complicated.
Why is the people don't follow the law?
Because they are selfish, and when our elders do not follow the rules, so why they follow the rules?
Okay, so how is earning a lots of money in Karachi currently hard?
Because nowadays bribe of culture is very common in Karachi, and everybody become very dishonest nowadays, and they just want a lot of money, but not the right way, what the way they want, but they just want only the money.
So how can we decrease bribe culture in our society?
We can decrease easily bribe culture when we become honest with our work. So we can easily decrease the bribe of culture.
So why don't people of Karachi have more support for others?
I think it's because there is no respect of others in eyes of people, and they don't respect the laws, and they have no feelings of people. That's why they don't have moral support for others.
As you know, Maria, in our society has finished brotherhood.
Yeah, you are right.
So how can we decrease that thing in our society, in our city?
If we feel the people, we can easily increase the brotherhood.
So when will we happily sit back and see no killings in our society, in our city?
If we increase unity in between the people, so we can easily sit back happily, and we can see no killings in Karachi, and we feel the person. So there is no killing. How can they kill the people if they feel the person?
If there isn't brotherhood, so how can we make unity?
I think if you feel the person, so unity is automatically stay.
So what do you think about those people who do their things and their work very well?
These people are so brilliant and so honest because they are very honest their work, and they do their work with systematic. So these people are very honest, and we should follow these people.
So my second last question is that why are American and British society so lucky in living?
Because they are so lucky because they are very well mannered, and they are very well behaved, and they follow the rules what their government give them. That's why they are very lucky in their living standard.
Why are the Pakistani society unlucky in living standard?
Because in any situation you can see they are low, they are decreased.
So my second last question is that have you always wanted see in Pakistan, in Karachi?
I think I want to see that every person should respect to others and live happily and spread love and affection with the people and feel the person also. So
my last question is that about yourself. When were you last hopeless?
Yeah, it was a very emotional question for me. I was very hopeless last time on 6th June when there was a medal ceremony.
Why are you hopeless on 6th June?
Actually, I expected that I would win, and when I saw the result, I was shocked and I cried a lot.
So how did you overcome your hopelessness?
to my fellow, they are very helpful for me, and they just give me advice. Don't think over about the result. Just try make your level best and best. And I am just thinking positive now, and I am just trying to make my level best.
Okay, I'm also appreciate to you. You will get marriage ceremony in medal ceremony. So I want to say that my show time has finished. I will come back with new faces and with new topic. So give me permission. Goodbye.
Allah Hafiz.